In this video, we'll demonstrate how to log out of your PlayStation 5 account. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to log out of your PS5 account, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get straight into the steps. From the PS5 home screen, navigate to the top and select Settings. Scroll down and choose Users and Accounts. Under the Other section, you'll find the option to sign out of your PlayStation 5. Signing out might resolve certain PlayStation Network issues. You'll need to enter your password to sign back into your PlayStation profile. Alternatively, for a quick logout, go to your profile icon and select Logout to sign out of your PlayStation account. This action will return you to the home screen where you'll need to select a profile to log in again. By following these steps, you can easily log out of your PlayStation 5 account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For additional tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnet.business.